Our Direction 7 dealt with the aspect of a common mobile app stop. We had expressed our grave reservation and the loss of time on account of view expressed before us that common mobile app was a work in progress. However, on the last date, we were told that GIC was willing to develop a mobile app, namely, things were not worked out before as stated, and we had granted a period of 2 months. Stop. Learned ASG rightly points out that there were presentations made, including to him, and there was then a backtracking on the issues by seeking to suggest that the persons who are making the presentations as consultants were not so authorized. Stop para. Now, Mr. Atul Nanda, learned senior counsel, seeks to represent the GIC, which is the nodal agency of all insurance companies. Stop. He says that he has experience in developing the necessary app qua the Delhi High Court. Stop. If that be the position, he should be well versed with how to ensure our orders are complied with. Stop. The fact remains they have not been complied with till date. Stop. He thus seeks to suggest that a development has been a coordination with the NIC and that as per the instructions almost 90% of the work is over. Stop. On our query, he submits that 2 months time should be sufficient to complete the process. Stop. He assures us that he will personally coordinate all aspects with the learned ASG, and taking this assurance on record, we are inclined to grant 2 months' time, making the significance of the time period absolutely clear to him. Stop para. In view of role being played by the NIC, Mr. Jayant Sood will also obtain instructions from the NIC as to what role NIC is playing to incorporate in the part of his report for us to make sure that it is not a red herring. Stop para. Mr. N. L. Raja, learned senior counsel who also assists us in this matter, submits that as per international practices, there is a chief technical officer who helps in sorting out the issues on behalf of insurance companies in different countries, and he would understand the technical nonsense. Stop. He suggests that there should be one chief technical officer to deal with these issues on behalf of all the insurance companies, a suggestion which Mr. Nanda accepts. Stop. We thus direct that such a chief technical officer be appointed by the GIC on behalf of all insurance companies within a period of 2 weeks from today, as accepted by Mr. Nanda. Stop. We may notice the submission of learned counsel for the petitioner Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Company Private Limited that they have such a technical officer whose services can be made available. Stop. However, that is a call which the GIC will take. Stop para. Our Direction 8 dealt with the aspect of state vehicle not being insured, and as a sequitur thereof, compensation not being deposited in time as there is lack of sufficient funds to cover the requirement of disbursement of compensation. Stop. In this behalf, we had issued some necessary directions. Stop para. We are faced with applications filed by Andhra Pradesh State Road Transport Corporation and Telangana State Road Transport Corporation, being 11414 of 2022, 11415 of 2022 respectively. Mr. Gaurav Banerjee, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for these applicants, submits that his concern arises from the direction made on the last date of hearing.